How to set keyboard theme on Tecno mobile phone.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this.
Go to Settings. In Settings, go to System. In System, go to Language and Input. In Language and Input, in Keyboard section, go to On-Screen Keyboard. And go to Gboard. And Gboard, you can see here the theme. And now you can set the theme. So the theme is set into default. And you can see here the option. You can set into System Auto, Default, Default Dark, or you can set into Color. And also you can set the Landscape, Gradient, Dark Gradient, but you need to download first. So for example, I set the keyboard theme into System Auto. Tap the System Auto. And now you can see here the theme of System Auto. The black and the white. After you set this keyboard theme, tap the apply button below to save these settings.